Hey everybody, welcome back to another Music Theory Thursday. Today we want to chat about whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes. What are they? Now if you remember in my last video on notation, we dealt with a whole note. A whole note is nothing more than a circle, an oval, donut, whatever you want to call it. Looks like this. A half note, all you do is take the whole note as is and put a stem on it. And a quarter note, all you do is take the half note and fill in the donut. That's it. Whole note, half note, quarter note. Now, when you're writing music, when you're going to use these as notation, and you're going to apply them to the 5 lines and 4 spaces to the staff, whole note doesn't matter. You can put it anywhere. It's a circle, it's an oval, anywhere. But half notes, quarter notes, and any other notes with a stem on them, the stem might go up like these, or the stem might go down. And it all depends on where you place them on the 5 lines and 4 spaces. So here is a group of whole notes, a group of half notes. The same rule applies to all notes with a stem. That includes quarter, and then later on eighths, sixteenths, or whatnot. So check this out. We're going to start at the bottom. All right. So half note, bottom line. Stem is on the right, goes up. And that's what happens for a little while. Check this out. Now we've come to the middle line. This is where things change. Once we get to the middle line and above, the stems are on the left side and they're going down. And that's for half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, everything with a stem. This is the rule. Okay? Doesn't matter if you're in treble clef or bass clef. It is based on the 5 lines and 4 spaces no matter what clef. So at this point, if we keep going up, this is what happens. And there you have it. Whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, stem direction. And again, I'm going to say it one more time. Every note with a stem follows this pattern. When you're on the bottom of the staff, it's on the right side going up. When you're on the middle line and above, it's on the left going down. All right, folks, if you like what I'm doing, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share with some people that might need a little intro to theory. And until the next time, take care.